So the topic that we will have here is the logarithmic function. So logarithmic function are the inverses of the exponential function. So the inverse of the exponential function y is equal to a to the x is x is equal to a sub y. So the logarithmic function y is equal to logarithm of x with the base a is defined as equivalent to the exponential equation x is equal to a to the y. So in short, ito yan. We have here the exponential equation. The exponential equation we will have here is the exponent 3 raised to 3 squared is equal to 9. So we have your 3 as the base, 2 as the exponent, and 9 as the power or the answer of the exponential of the 3 raised to 2. Now, in transformation of the exponential equation to logarithmic equation, we will have logarithm of 9 with the base of 3 is equal to 2. So, as you notice, yung dito, yung 9, napunta siya, yung equals, di ba equals 9, napunta siya dito, tapos yung 2, nagpalit silang dalawa. Siya ngayon ang nandun sa equal sign. So, nagpalit sila ng 9 and 2. Tapos yung 3 is the same as the base pa din. So, andun pa din siya. Hindi siya lumipat ng equal. So, ang nagpalit lang is yung 2 at saka yung 9. Okay? Clarification? Let's have the example. So, in the example that we will have here, which exponential function, write each exponential equation into logarithmic equation. So, for the letter A, naroon tayo ng 3 squared is equal to x. So, if we're going to write the letter A into logarithmic equation, so magkakaroon tayo ng logarithm of yung base natin ay 3. Tapos, magkakaroon tayo dito ng x is equal to 2. So, magpapalit lang itong dalawang to. Ganyan. For the letter B, karoon tayo ng 3 raised to x is equal to 81. So, magkakaroon tayo ng logarithm. Yung base natin ay 3 pa din. Tapos, 81 is equal to x. Then, letter C. I'd like to try to answer the letter C. We have the 10 raised to negative 2 is equal to 0.01. Oh, yes, Kausarin.
Logarithm 0.01.
What is your base? The base is
10 po.
10. Tapos 0.01 is equal to
2 po.
2. Negative 2. It's negative 2. Yes, Del Mundo. Letter D.
Log 9 po. Tapos ano po? 9 equals y.
Okay. So you can have the logarithm of 9 is equal to y with the base of 9. For the letter C, you will have your logarithm of 0.01 is equal to negative 2 with base 10. So again, nagpapalit lang yung exponent at saka yung sagot. Question? Clarification? Okay naman? Let's have E, yung kabaliktaran naman. Write each exponential equation into logarithmic equation into exponential form. For the letter A, we have logarithm of x is equal to 4 with base of 5. So, magkakaroon tayo dito ng letter A. This will be 5 raised to 4 is equal to x. For letter B, you will have logarithm of 64 is equal to 6 with base of 2. So, magkakaroon tayo dito ng 2 raised to 6 is equal to 64. How about letter C? We have the logarithm of m is equal to 7 with base of a. Yes, Legaspi, Luigi.
A equals a raised to 7 equals m.
Okay, so that is A raised to 7 is equal to M. How about letter D? Yes, when dicho.
C raised to x equals
Okay, so kakaroon ng C raised to X is equal to T. Question? Naintindihan po ba? Nakuha po ba? Ulitin natin kung hindi nakuha kasi may mga na-late na na dumating. Again, exponential equation is we have the 3 squared is equal to 9. Logarithmic equation, transformation of the 3 squared is equal to 9 is yung base mo is still the same as base. Tapos magpapalit lang yung exponent at saka yung power. So, magkakaroon tayo dito ng yung 9. Itatabi mo na siya dun sa base tapos is equal to the exponent. So, here we have the 3 squared is equal to x. So, magkakaroon tayo dito ng logarithm of 3. Logarithm of x is equal to 2 with base of 3. Then, for the letter B, we have 3 raised to x is equal to 81. So, logarithm of 81 is equal to x with base of 3. So, yun po yun. In the other example, we have the from logarithmic equation to exponential, logarithm of x is equal to 4 with base of 5. So, nakaroon ka ng 5 raised to 4 is equal to x. For the letter B, we have logarithm of 64 is equal to 6 with base of 2. So, you will have 2 to the 6 is equal to 64. So, that is the exponential to logarithmic and logarithmic to exponential. Now, yung letter D, baka nagtaka kayo, x is equal to logarithm of c to t. Bumaliktad lang yan. Yan ay logarithm of c, t is equal to x. Ganun lang din yun. Okay, so we have here next topic that we have is the evaluation. So in the evaluation, we have the given of the logarithm of 4 with base of 2. So kukunin natin yung value nito. So using your calculator, wala pa nito. Pero doon sa mga matataas na unit ng calculator, may sagot na agad to. Pag tinay pa to sa calculator. Pero doon sa mga sa mga low version, wala. Kaya let's to solve para makuha natin yung value nito. Now, to solve this, kailangan mo siya ng dito ng logarithm of 2, base of 2. Logarithm of 4 with base of 2 is equal to x. So, lagay mo siya, equate mo siya sa x. Then, right after that is we have to transform the given into exponential. So, pag transform natin itong given natin sa exponential, magkakaroon tayo ng 2 raised to x is equal to 4. So, transform natin yung ating given. Then, after that, we have to make sure na parehas yung base natin. So, yung base natin ay 2, yung sa kaliwa. Pero yung sa kanan ay 4. So, we have to transform this 4 into the base of 2. So, magkakaroon tayo dito ng 2 raised to x is equal to 2. Ano yung magiging exponent ni 4 para ni 2 rather para maging 4 siya?
2 po.
2 po.
So, we have to raise into 2 kasi 2 to the 2 ay 4. So, since parehas na sila ng base which is 2, magkakaroon tayo dito ng x. Kunin natin yung exponent. So, x is equal to 2. And this will be the answer. The value of your x. Okay? Question? Nakuha po ba?
Opo.
Okay. Sensya na, nagloloko po yung aking isang camera. Nag-auto. Okay, next we have the evaluate the logarithm of 27 with a base of 1/3. So again, magkakaroon tayo ng logarithm of 27 base of 1/3 is equal to x. So magkakaroon tayo ng 1/3 transform into exponential. So 1/3 raised to x is equal to 27. Now, ito ay hindi sila parehas ng base. So, pag kailangan natin gawin parehas. Ito ay 1/3. So, ibig sabihin, ito ay this is fraction. To make it as i-transform siya sa hindi sa fraction, gagawin natin ay 3 raised to negative 1 times x. Bakit siya 3 raised to negative 1? Kasi the property na kapag meron kang x to the negative 1 is equal to 1 over x. That is the property na I think nandun sa last part ng module or nadaanan natin somewhere. So nagkaroon siya na ibinalik natin siya dun sa kanyang negative exponent. So this will be equal to 27. Now, base natin dito ay 3, base natin dito ay 27. So therefore, magkakaroon tayo ng 3 raised to negative 1x is equal to 3 raised to what number para maging 27?
3 po.
3 po.
Okay, so we have the 3 also kasi 3 to the 3 ay 27. Why it's 3 to the 3? Kasi 3 times 3 times 3. So tatlong 3. 3 times 3, this is 9. Plus times 3, this will be 27. Okay? So since parehas na sila ng base which is 3, so magkakaroon tayo ng negative x or negative 1x is equal to 3. Then divide both sides by negative 1. So x is equal to 3 divided negative 1. This will be negative 3 as the answer of the x. Okay? Question? Ay, copy mo na. Kasi mga mo copy. Okay, can we proceed to the next? Okay, so let's have the next. We have logarithm of 81 with base of 3 plus logarithm of 9 with the base of 1/3 minus logarithm of 1 over 27 with the base of 3. So sila ay hindi pare-parehas ng base kaya hindi sila pwedeng isolve as 1. So ang gagawin natin dito is hatiin natin. So magkakaroon tayo ng logarithm of 81 with base of 3 is equal to x. Tapos logarithm of 9 base of 1/3 is equal this is x rather. Correction. So this is x tapos this is x also. Tapos yung isa logarithm of 1 over 27 with base of 3 is equal to x. So tatlong solve natin sa given. So transformation, this will be 3 raised to x is equal to 81. Yung una ang gamitin natin. So this will be 3 raised to x is equal to 3 raised to what? What number? This will be 4. Okay. So therefore your x natin dito, x is equal to 4. Kunin natin to. Since parehas sila ng base na. Next is logarithm of 9 with 1/3 is equal to x. So this will be 1/3 raised to x is equal to 9. So this will be 3 raised to negative x is equal to 9. Tapos you will have 3 raised to negative x is equal to 3 raised to 2. Kasi 3 squared is 9. Then, negative x is equal to 2. Divide both sides by negative 1. Your x is equal to negative 2. Okay? Next, we have the logarithm of 1 over 27. Base of 3 is equal to x. So, this will be 3 raised to x is equal to 1 over 27. So, this will be 3 raised to x is equal to 1 over 27. Ibaliktad natin siya. This will be 27 raised to negative 1. Tapos, kunin natin yung kanyang same base. So, magkakaroon tayo na 3 raised to x is equal to 3 raised to what? Still 3. Pero may negative tayo. That's why this will be negative 3. Ang question, bakit naging negative 3? Yan naman. So again, it is 27. Itong 27 nito, ang katumbas nito ay 3 raised to 3. Pero may negative tayo dito. Kaya nagkaroon siya ng negative doon. Kasi 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. Then, x is equal to negative 3. Yan na yun. Now, kunin natin yung operation dito. So, magkakaroon tayo yung sa, ang sagot nito, yung logarithm of 81 with base of 3 ay 4 plus, ang sagot nito, logarithm of 9 with base of 1/3 ay negative 2 minus, ang sagot naman nito ay negative 3. Now, simplify. So, magkakaroon tayo ng 4, negative, positive and negative. At ito ay negative. Negative and negative, this will be positive 3. So, kunin natin yung pinaka total. 4 minus 2 plus 3. What will be the answer?
5 po.
5.
Opo.
Okay, so the answer will be 5. So, 4 minus 2 plus 3 ay 5. Why it's 5? So, magkakaroon tayo ng negative 2 plus 3 ay positive 1. Tapos, plus 4, this will be 5. So, yun ang pinaka-answer ko. Question? Clarification? Nakuha ba? Okay. So, let's have the properties of logarithms. So, the properties for logarithm, we have the product property. Ito yung una. So, for the product property, we have the logarithm of x with the base of a plus logarithm of y with the base of a is equal to, they should have the same base. Kung a siya a, kung b, b. So, is equal to logarithm of xy with the base of a. So, what you're going to do is, all you have to do is to multiply. Example, we have here the logarithm of 8 with base of a plus logarithm of 5 with base of a. So again, for the product, kailangan siya ay plus to make it a product. So this will be equal to logarithm of kakaroon dito ng base of a tapos 8 times 5. So this will be equal to logarithm with base of a 8 times 5, this will be 40. Okay? So, yun po. Okay, next, we have logarithm of 1/3 with base of 3 plus logarithm of 12 with base of 3 plus logarithm of 4 with base of 3. So, this will be equal to logarithm of, ang base na ay 3 tapos 1/3 times 12 times 4. So, this will be equal to logarithm of base of 3. So, 1/3 times 12, this will be a 4. Tapos, times natin kay 4, this will be 16. Okay po. So, yung 12 divided by 3, that is 4. Then, 4 times 4, that is 16. Kaya naging logarithm of 16 with base of 3. Question? Yan naman. Next, we have the quotient property. For the quotient property, magkakaroon tayo ng logarithm of x with base of a minus logarithm of y with base of a. Kasi equal to logarithm of x over a with base of a. So, kapag quotient naman, siya naman ay minus. So, kapag plus, siya ay multiplication or product. Example, we have the logarithm of 27 minus logarithm of 9 with base of a. So, magkakaroon tayo dito logarithm of a, base a. This will be 27 over 9. So, this will be logarithm with base a. 27 over 9, this will be equal to 3. Kasi 27 divided by 9 ay 3. Question? Sundan? Okay. Next, we have the, yes, Aaron. What's your question? Hello? Mabilis? Mabilis. Sorry. Saang part kailangan ulitin? Ulitin natin simula sa una. Sensya na. Ano kasi nagsasalita na mabilis, nandigaw lang. Okay, so we have properties of logarithm. So product property, kailangan na tandaan kapag product property, it is a plus sign. So parehas dapat sila ng base. So this will be, kaya nagkaroon siya ng xy kasi x times y, parehas sila ng base. Example, we have the logarithm of 8 plus logarithm of 5. Parehas sila ng base ng 5. So nagkaroon ka ng logarithm of base a, tapos 8 times 5. So 8 times 5, it will be 40. Ayan po. And next, kapag naman ito, we have 1/3, 12, and 4. So parehas naman sila ng base. Saka base of 3. So magkakaroon ng 1/3 times 12, tapos times 4. So yung 1/3 times 12, 1/3 times 12, parang tayo ng 1/3, tapos times natin kay 12. This will be 12 over 3. Kaya nagkaroon ka dito ng 4 as the answer. Tapos times mo siya dun sa isa pang 4. Kaya nagkaroon ka ng 16. Okay? For the quotient naman, kailangan pag quotient is subtraction sign. Minus sign. So magkakaroon ka dito ng x over y. Ito, parehas naman sila ng base ng 8 tapos 27 over 9. So 27 over 9, divide mo lang. 27 divided by 9, the answer will be 3. Okay po. Ayan. Next example, we have here the logarithm of 16 minus logarithm of 4 with base of 4. Or anyone would like to answer? This is 4. Tapos 16 over 4. Yes, Borromeo.
4 po.
So, the answer is also 4. Okay na? So, magkaroon dyan ng logarithm of 4. Then, 16 over 4. 16 divided by 4, the answer is 4. Then, pares lang. Okay na? Can I change the slide? Next, the power property. Actually, madaming mga properties ang logarithm pero doon na tayo sa basic kasi ito naman lang laging ginagamit. So, the next we have the power property. So, we have logarithm of x to the p with base of a is equal to the p logarithm of x with base of a. Ano napansin nyo sa ating equation? Yes, Abby.
Palitan lang po kayo mga variables po.
Ano palitan ng variables? Aside from that, what have you noticed?
Nadagdagan po ng P.
Nagdag ng P. Wala naman tayong tinanggal na P.
Punta po yun sa
Napunta yung P sa unahan. That's the correct, exact answer. So, as you notice, yung P natin dito is exponent. So, naging na lang siya. Ibinaba siya dun sa unahan ng logarithm. So, naging something constant na siya. So, kapag ganito, logarithm of x to the p, kung may exponent siya, ibababa natin siya. Yung power niya ay ibababa natin to make it as a constant. So, example, we have logarithm of x squared with base a. So, this will be equal to 2 logarithm of x with base of a. So, ganyan siya susulatin. Ibinaba natin yung exponent na 2. Sino yun? Yestin. Naka-on ka. Naka-on mic ka. Nagbibideo okay pa. Nagbibideo okay pa din.
Sorry po, sir.
Okay, so let's have another. We have here another example. We have logarithm of cube root of 5 with base of 2. This will be equal to logarithm. Siyempre, yung base natin ay 2. Anong ilalagay natin sa unahan?
Square root of
Anyone?
3.
Square root of 3. Eh di, wala na yung 5. Yung square root of 3. Anyone? Aside from Del Mundo, kung ilalagay natin dito yung square root of, square root is cube root. Cube root of 3.
1/3
Eh di
po.
nawala. It's 1/3. Tama. Nawala na yung nawala na yung 5. Bakit siya naging 1/3? Kasi ito ay cube root of to the 5. This will be equal to 5 raised to 1/3. So, ang exponent natin ay 1/3. Kaya ito lalagay natin sa unahan. Tapos may iwan dito si 5. Okay? Question? Clarification? Brother Aaron, okay ba? Okay, so let's have the reverse method of the given. So ito naman, ito logarithm of 8 times 2. So i-reverse natin siya. Para not really reverse type. I-expand lang natin. So in this case, magkakaroon tayo dito ng siyempre, meron tayong logarithm. Base natin ay 2. Tapos this is 8 plus, since this is a product, so magkakaroon dito tayo ng logarithm of base of 2, and this is 10. And this will be the expanded form or the reverse form. Question? Yan naman. Next, we have the logarithm of x cube times y over say cube then log with base of 3. So, combination to. This is multiplication and division. So, karoon tayo dito ng logarithm base of 3. So, this will be x cube plus logarithm of base of 3. Then, this will be y minus this will be logarithm of 3. Then, say to the 3. Okay?
Ay, pwede pong pakibalik po doon sa una pong slide bago po yun.
Ayan, ito po.
Opo, thank you po sir. Titingnan ko lang po.
Okay. Okay na, Abby?
Sir,
Yes.
Opo, okay na po sir.
di ba po pag divide, minus sign, tapos pag multiply, plus? Tama.
Yes po. Yes. So, ito ay multiplication. Ito, since nasa baba siya, let's consider as a division quotient siya. Okay, so, kaya magkakaroon kayo ng x to the 3 plus y 10 minus say cube logarithm base of 3. Okay? Aliyah, baka may yung classmate mo dyan maingay. Nasa classroom pa eh. Okay, so let's have another. This will be logarithm of the square root of x plus 1 over x. So, kakaroon tayo dito ng logarithm. This will be 2. Tapos, square root of x plus 1 minus logarithm of base of 2 and x. Yun lang. Balikan pala natin itong una. Nakalimutan ako. Kalimutan natin yung ating property. May power property nga pala ito. So, ibaba natin siya. This will be 3 log 3 then x plus logarithm of 3y minus 3 tapos logarithm of 3 then save. So, ibinaba lang natin yung mga exponent mo. Applying the power property. Okay? So, in this case, ito naman, magkakaroon tayo dito ng 1/2 plus logarithm base of 2. And then this will be x plus 1 minus logarithm of base of 2 then x. Yan lang siya.